Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix the frustrating black screen issue when capturing Google Chrome in OBS Studio using window capture. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Google Chrome browser on your computer. Once it's launched, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the window where you'll see three vertical dots. Click on these three dots to reveal a drop-down menu. Then select Settings from the list of options. This will take you to Chrome's main settings page where we can adjust the necessary configurations. Once you're in the settings page, look at the left sidebar. You'll notice various categories listed there. Go ahead and click on System. This section contains important settings related to how Chrome interacts with your computer's hardware, which is exactly what we need to adjust to fix this black screen issue. Now, within the system settings, you'll need to locate an option that says Use Graphics Acceleration when available. This feature typically improves Chrome's performance by using your graphics card, but it can sometimes conflict with screen capture software like OBS. Right beside this option, you'll see a toggle switch. Click on it to turn this setting off. Disabling hardware acceleration allows OBS to properly capture Chrome's window content instead of showing just a black screen. After toggling off the graphics acceleration, you'll see a button that says Relaunch appear. This step is crucial, so don't skip it. Click on the Relaunch button. Chrome will automatically close and reopen itself to apply the changes you just made. Give it a moment to restart completely. In most cases, this should resolve the black screen issue, and OBS will now be able to capture your Chrome window properly. However, if you're still experiencing the black screen problem after relaunching Chrome, don't worry. There's an additional setting we can adjust in OBS itself that should fix it. Go ahead and open your OBS Studio application. Once it's open, look at the bottom left section of the interface where you'll find the Sources panel. This is where all your capture sources are listed. In the Sources panel, locate your window capture source that you're using for Chrome. Right-click on this window capture source, and from the context menu that appears, select Properties. This will open a new window with various capture settings. In the Properties window, look for an option labeled Capture Method. Right beside it, you'll see a drop-down menu. Click on this drop-down menu to reveal the available capture methods. From the list, select Windows 10 1903 and up. This capture method is specifically designed to work better with modern applications and often resolves compatibility issues with programs like Chrome. After selecting the new capture method, click OK at the bottom of the Properties window to save your changes. And that's it! You've successfully fixed the Chrome black screen issue in OBS Studio by adjusting both Chrome's hardware acceleration settings and OBS's capture method. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.